Hi friends, in this video I'll walk you through on how to change font size on Facebook using your iPhone device. To do this, ensure the text size has been added to your control center. To add text size to your control center, open the settings app on your device. Locate and tap on control center. Now you tap the plus sign beside the text side to add it to your control center. Once it's added, it will be showing the minus sign. Now you minimize and open your Facebook app. Once it's open, you swipe down from the right hand side of your device depending on the model of the iPhone you are using. Now you see a capital A and a common A in the control center. Tap on it. Then you see the options Facebook only and all apps. You tap on Facebook only. And from here, you can increase the font size by carrying up the icon, as you can see on the screen. Once you are done, you close out of this and you see that the font size of your Facebook has changed. It has now been increased. To reduce it, you follow the same method to reduce the font size. You just have to tap on it again, still on Facebook only. Then you carry the icon down. Now you see the font size has been reduced. So that is it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.